For this garden was to turn an old neglected terrace into a complete contemporary outdoor living space. Our clients practically live outside, they always have done, and with that in mind it meant we had to create a space that could be used for entertaining, relaxing and dining. I think it's fairly obvious that one of the main features of this terrace is this fantastic pergola, which is made for all weathers. It's completely waterproof, it's got lighting, it's got heating, and it's got blinds that come down during inclement weather. We wanted to bring the planting as near as possible to the house, so we created a number of beds. Just to say that in this part of the garden, it is mainly in shade for most of the day, so the plants we have chosen are all very much shade tolerant. What we've done here is we've used the tapestry style of planting using the foliage. So at the back there we have got the Mahonia soft caress, then we've got geranium, Virginia, Brunera and Regersia, and then the topiary form here of the Ilex topiary ball. Vertical planting on a terrace is always great because it takes the eye up, and here we've used this fabulous Ilex tree which is evergreen, and as you can see the berries are just starting now to go orange and then they'll go red. Absolutely wonderful throughout the winter. The central steps, I suppose, are one of the main features that take you up to the terrace. So the planting here very much repeats certain elements of the top beds in the fact we've got these large topiary balls, roses, as well as wonderful little daisies here. Back of the pergola we've created this raised bed. We wanted there to be a really nice backdrop when you're sitting in the pergola, and of course it looks wonderful at night when it's lit. Now we love a sense of theatre, so when it came to designing the steps we wanted it to be a bit of a grand majestic descent into the garden, which we've done with these fabulous bullnose limestone steps. Even the balustrade had to perform a purpose within the terrace, and not only is it two reasons. One is that you can see straight through by using the wires, and secondly you can put your drinks on top of this rail. Well, here we are in the dining area, and it's very much a flexible space. And I suppose the most wonderful part of this area has to be this full outdoor kitchen unit, which has a smoker, a single burner, a full gas barbecue, and also a fridge. But the most exciting thing for me about this is the most wonderful place to sit and look out over the lovely garden. Use these brick Dutch pavers to define the three main areas of the terrace, and they work really well with the limestone paving, as well as referencing the brickwork of the facade of the property. Now the flexibility of the dining space really comes into its own in the evening. When this retractable awning with built-in lighting and heating comes out, it really is time to party. So, if you'd like us to create the garden of your dreams, why not get in touch via the website or Instagram?